To apply a grunge effect in Canva, start by adding your image to the canvas. Go to Elements and search for grunge frame. Then choose a photo style you like from the results. Open the Blend Image app from the Apps section. Set the grunge frame as the top layer and your background image as the bottom layer. Then change the blend mode to multiply and click Add to Design. For a white border variation, select the grunge image, go to Edit and Duodone. Then choose Custom and swap the colors so black becomes white and white becomes black. Reopen the Blend Image app. Set this inverted grunge image as the top layer and your background as the bottom layer. Change the blend mode to screen and click Add to Design.